Hey there, foot lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we find the quirkiest ways to make money online. Today, we're dipping our toes into the fascinating world of selling feet pictures. Yes, you heard that right. So if you're looking for a unique side hustle, stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. Selling feet pics isn't just a fad, it's a legitimate way to earn some extra cash. But where do you begin? First things first, get that camera snapping. Whether it's a high-tech DSLR or just your handy smartphone, your journey starts with that click. Remember, creativity is key. You can do candid shots or style with shoes or whatever tickles your fancy. Play with angles, experiment with lighting, and don't be afraid to get a little artsy. The sky's the limit with this foot-focused venture. But where to sell these artistic foot masterpieces? While there are several other platforms, FeetFinder tops them all. Why, you ask? Let's break it down. Other platforms come with a laundry list of issues: lack of security, low payments, complicated interfaces, and sometimes limited audience reach. For FeetFinder, it stands out as the dream platform for selling feet pics. It's secure, ensuring both buyers and sellers are protected. User-friendly, so you can navigate and upload with ease. And the best part? They truly value your artistic feet shots. FeetFinder understands the art and effort behind every picture, offering a dedicated platform catering specifically to feet photography enthusiasts. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Head over to feetfinder.com and register. Get yourself verified, because at FeetFinder, they ensure that everyone's playing by the rules. Once you're verified, unleash your creativity. There's no limit to the amount of feet pics you can upload. The more, the merrier. All right, now that you're set up on FeetFinder, let's talk about maximizing your earnings. It's not just about snapping a picture. It's about creating a vibe. Play with angles, experiment with shoes, and always think about the story you're telling. Your feet pics aren't just pictures. They're a visual experience. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to selling feet pics online, especially when it comes to selling feet pics on FeetFinder. FeetFinder is your go-to platform for turning those foot pics into cash. Remember, it's all about creativity, authenticity, and a bit of fun. So why wait? Dive into the world of feet photography and watch your bank account grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay updated on all things feet pics. Until next time, keep snapping and stay fabulous.